We captured it in park. This is grasshopper. We collected it from park and kept in this box, and has given some leaves, and it has eaten few parts of leaves, and you can see the excreta of this grasshopper. Its color is green, so it camouflage with the plant. Its color is very similar with this leaf, so it can protect from their enemy easily, and their enemy is snake, lizards, some spiders. Its hind leg, which is very long for high jumping.
Yeah. So you can see I just hold this hind leg and it's trying to jump, right? So it's not able to jump because I have just hold its hind leg, and you can see
How this insect is beautiful.
Yeah, right. And the grasshopper is actually belongs to the order Orthoptera. The abdomen of it's trying to escape, right? So this is the abdomen. You see the abdomen, right? And this is wing
For flying.
and it has removed like some fluid. When I captured this its eyes, and this is the antennae, right? This is the hind wing of grasshopper. You can see this is yes. So this hind wing is membranous, and this is the forewing. Yeah, this is the forewing, which is partially membranous, and it is completely membranous.
This is hind leg.
This is actually in folding position. When it wants to jump, it extends its
Hind leg.
So,
And jump very high.
Yes. So you can see. Yeah.
Yeah.
So extend its hind leg.
Yeah, you can see the extended hind legs of this grasshopper.
Because it is now trying to climb over the wall. Yeah. The interesting fact, it is being eaten in Asia, America and Africa.